Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at a new update called the Treasure Track, so let's get into the video. Alright, so a new beta update just came out that gives you rewards for the more battles or questions you answer. I'm not sure yet. It says answer math questions in battle to earn rewards. So you can get 500 gold and the Stripey Storm Cloud, or maybe this is Squawk Storm Cloud, I'm not sure. Probably Tribeak actually, just based on the icon. But that's for the member one. For the non-members, you can get 100 gold. So yeah, this is pretty cool. If we keep going to the right, there's going to be some more stuff. You can get the Snow Puppy. If we keep going, there's some more stuff, and you can actually get Blue Fury Mag Mayhem from doing this. And these are actually going to be seasons. Up here you can see it says Season Alpha ends in 44 days. So there is going to be time, I guess, for other people to be able to get this, or to get this update. So if you don't have it yet, wait a week or two and you may be able to get it. But yeah, this is really cool. So it says that I already got the first, so you don't have to claim it, you just automatically get 100 gold. And if you do have it, this should pop up and you'll like immediately know that you have it. So overall, I think this is a really cool update. It gives people that weren't able to get items a better chance or like more of a chance to get them. And I assume that the rewards are gonna be based on previous, or based on seasons. Like, that's why there's the Snow Puppy. We're getting into close to Winterfest. It's Christmas time, so yeah, that's why that's there. I'm kind of interested on why Blue Fury Mag Mayhem is there though, because that means that we could be getting not a new mythical epic, we could be getting an opportunity to get 2 mythical epics every single month, which people have been wanting for a while. And the fact that these are epics that you haven't been able to get for a while means that more people are going to be able to get them. As always, people are going to be saying, oh, Prodigy is pay to win because there's a member pass and there's a free pass. So obviously Prodigy is pay to win, but just get free membership and it's not pay to win. I will say though that the membership items are much better than the normal items. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer 5 math problems so that I can get 15 Morph Marbles. I'm pretty sure I'm on level 1 on this account, by the way. And I'm not 100% sure if you can see this. If you can't, I'm gonna cut this out of the video, but there does seem to be something else coming, or a few other things coming to the Prodigy like bottom bar. As you can see, I'm going to open this up in a new tab. So right here we have the new update. I can't remember what it's called. But if we keep going down, there's a minus, not sure what that's there. There's a plus. There is this, which is new, like a mail thing. And then there's also this like wizard newspaper, which not sure what that's supposed to be. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say there's a dungeon thing, not sure what that's supposed to be either. So I got kicked out of the battle, but yeah, you do the tracker thing, it does go up as you move on. I assume that you're gonna have to answer more questions per level. So you'll probably have to answer like 100, 200 questions maybe in total to get to the final tier. But yeah, overall, I think this is a very good update. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.